In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Grammarly account. Logging into Grammarly is a straightforward process, but it's important to get it right so you can quickly access your writing tools and resources. Let's jump right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Grammarly.com. The website is designed to be user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click this button to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll find yourself on the login page. Here, you have a couple of options to sign in. You can either enter your email address and password that you use to create your Grammarly account, or alternatively, you can use one of the social login options provided. These include signing in with your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. If you decide to enter your email and password, make sure you type them in carefully to avoid any errors. For those opting for a social login, simply click on the corresponding button and you'll be prompted to confirm your credentials with the chosen service. This is a safe and secure way to log in, making it a popular choice for many users. After you've entered your login details or authorized a social login, you'll see a button that either says Continue or Log In. Click this button to finalize the login process. This might take a few seconds, so be patient while it logs you in. Once this step is complete, you'll be signed into your Grammarly account and you can start using the service right away. By now, you should see your Grammarly dashboard. From here, you can access all your saved documents and tweak any account settings you might want to update. The dashboard is the hub of your activity, where you create and edit documents and make use of Grammarly's proofreading and editing tools. Congratulations, you're now fully logged into your Grammarly account, ready to make the most of its features. Remember, if you ever forget your password, there's a Forgot Password option on the login page that can help you reset it. It's quick and ensures you can regain access without a hitch, and that's all there is to it. Now you're all set to enjoy all the benefits that Grammarly has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy writing. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.